Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, it's your window man Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. We're out here in Settlers Walk today, just got done with this job last night, matter of fact. And before we start walking through, I just want to give a big shout out to anybody and everybody who watches any of our videos. I just want to give a big thank you for watching any of our videos. But the biggest thing about this house is we did all the windows and the sliding glass door. Down here, there was some capping or whatever you want to call it below the window, hiding a piece of wood, and there was a lot of wood rot back there. So when we took the old window out, the guys replaced that, and then they capped over it and sealed it so no water can get back there anymore. And part of the reason too is they have these things up top that they're taking care of this at another time, because that would be done with the siding guys. But we think that there might be a breach up there that was letting water in, because they were getting some wood damage on the inside as well. So this is a pretty large window. It is a triple pane Provia Endure window. This is definitely the most popular window that we sell, mainly for the triple pane for the energy efficiency. So let's go on inside and take a look at it from the inside and take a look at the door. All right, so over here, something unique about these windows is whenever you replace windows, you have to make sure that you're following the building code. I'm not quite sure, I'd have to go back and look, but I don't know if the bottom sash was tempered on the last one, but because the glass is less than 18 inches from the floor, it's required that it's tempered. So the glass on the bottom sash is tempered glass, just for safety purposes. But let's go ahead and open one up. Definitely got, these are big windows right here, big and tall. But I hope that I just caught that Rumpke truck on video. That way you all can hear the difference of the window open and the window shut. But let's go on back here to the door. All right, so another Provia sliding glass door. It is triple pane. So it's the same as the windows. And I'm telling you, look how easy these doors slide. I know it doesn't slide all the way shut. I'm sure I could have made it do that if I would have pushed it hard enough, but I don't want to abuse the product. And same thing as all the other Provia products, top-notch premium products. One of the other things I wanted to touch on real fast is this was a double hung window in here before, and the customer, she wanted to be able to slide it side to side versus going up and down at the sink. So it's okay to make changes where you want to make the changes. You don't have to keep the same profile as the window that's in your house currently if you want something different. And then the last thing that I wanted to show is out here in the TV room, all these windows had to be tempered glass as well. It's just something to remember if you're in the market to get windows. If your windows are really low and the glass has to be above 18 inches, if it's below the 18-inch mark, then you'll have to get tempered glass on the bottom sash. Or if it's a picture window, the whole entire window would be tempered. So really happy how this job turned out. Everything looks good. Customer is actually anxious for us to get out of the way so he can go ahead and put everything back. So with that, peace out, everybody.